Now, types of hackers. Now we have three types actually: the black hat hackers, the white hat, and the gray. Now let's start with the black hat hackers. Now the black hat hacker is individual who attempts to gain unauthorized entry into a system or network to exploit them for malicious reasons. Now the black hat hacker doesn't have any permission or authority to compromise their target, and they try to inflict damage by compromising security systems, altering functions of websites and networks, or shutting down systems, okay? And they often do so to steal or gain access to a passwords, financial information, and other personal data. Now the white hat hackers, on the other hand, are deemed to be the good guys working with organizations to strengthen the security of a system. And a white hat has a permission to engage the targets and to compromise them within the prescribed rules of engagement. And a white hat hackers are often referred to as ethical hackers. Now the difference between white hat and the black hat: the white hat has permission, and it is to strengthen the security of system for specific organizations. Now, on the other hand, the black hat hacker actually to damage the system and to steal or do bad stuff, okay? So white hat doesn't mean that he's not skilled, or he doesn't have skills, or the black hat means he is smarter or he do things better. No, actually, the white hat and the black hat doesn't refer to the skills he have. No, actually it refers to the intention. So white hat, good intention; black hat, bad intention, and so on. Now we have the gray hat hackers. Now actually these exploits networks and computer systems in a way that black hats do, but do so without any malicious intent. So it is closing all loopholes and vulnerabilities to law enforcement agencies or intelligence agencies. And usually gray hat hackers surf the net and hack into computer systems to notify the administrator or the owner that their system contains one or more vulnerabilities that must be fixed immediately, okay? So the intention here is good, but they didn't have permission, so that's why we called them, or they called them, a gray hat hackers.